Hi, my name is Rosemary Swift of RMS Beauty, and today we are here with my girls. And this is Katie Forecast, my friend and makeup artist, and the beautiful, lovely Knock 'em Dead model that we're using today. Today we are going to show you how to use the Living Glow Face and Body Powder for an all-over luminous highlight. So I'm going to take a little bit of this on a little fan brush, and I'm just going to show you what this can do.
And a little bit goes a long way, right? So
Oh yeah,
you don't need a lot at all.
big time.
Okay.
And you're going to find that if you put it on very minimal, you get a beautiful little sheer.
So you're just using a fan brush and you're basically just putting it all over the face.
This is the most subtle all-over golden glow. I love this. It's simple, it's pretty, it's not over the top to the moon.
Okay.
And it's just really inviting on the skin. You know, just remember, you guys, this is skin-loving ingredients in here. Nothing bad for the skin, nothing bad for the soul.
Doesn't dry out the skin at all.
Won't dry it out. Let's see, beautiful again. And that just takes it to that extra special dimension. Now I want to show you another little trick, guys. You know me with my products that go that dual purpose. Now take a look at this. Just a little bit of this on the eye. Just pop it on with your finger. Hold on a little bit more.
So can you bring it up if you want to underneath the brow? Or?
You can do whatever you want with this. You
Love
just
that.
wouldn't want to put this, of course, on too strong on the rest of the face, but because that is so beautiful as eyeshadow.
Stunning.
And you could even take this and pop it into your lip too a little bit. So this works very, very well in all skin tones. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna trade out the two girls. You know, I'm gonna pop a little bit of this on the brush, and you literally just buff it onto the skin. It is so easy to use. It's foolproof, beautiful,
So
perfect,
sexy.
golden, sexy.
So sexy.
Yeah.
Winner.